Hi, today we talk about why is Cash App payment failing and how to fix it. First, you haven't upgraded your Cash App, however, there might be several reasons behind this problem. Among the most well-known ones is that you are using an absolute variant of Cash application on your device. Solution: for that reason, it's suggested to maintain your Cash App updated to the most recent version to prevent any kind of error in its function. You can update Cash App from the Play Store on your Android device. Third, you haven't checked your Cash App balance. If you are receiving the Cash App transfer declined message on your home screen, there could be the odds that there are no adequate fundamentals available on your account. Solution: therefore, you should always check the Cash App account balance before transferring money and making a transaction. You can easily add money into your Cash App account by linking the bank account or debit card. Fourth, insufficient internet connectivity. You will need an excellent and secure online connection to make transaction from Cash App. If your device doesn't get high-speed internet connectivity, then transfer failed error on Cash App. Solution: a payment transfer must be created over a Wi-Fi network. Transferring fundamental may also be done over mobile service like 3G, 4G, VoLTE and LTE network, but it has no be declined that the link out to be potent enough to continue fast with the trade.